Yeah, he's probably fine. I don't think he's probably fine. Oh crap.
If you throw the yellow thing at him, it'll do a lot of damage.
Alright, I'm doing that. Take your medicine, man. You lying son of a bitch. I thought it like exploded into a million pieces.
No, that's the other one.
I'm gonna kill myself. Lift it up. I'm gonna kill myself.
What's the name?
Bro, the amount of times I've fallen.
Oh! That scared the shit out of me.
That actually made my asshole clench.
What?
Come on. Up you get. It doesn't want to.
You love this.
Come on. I'm not fucking strong enough to rotate it.
Just grab the boombox, mate. Oh, bunny! Oh, okay, it's a frog,
If that killed me, I would have been fucking pissed.
No.
I'm too locked in.
I'm playing natural dis- No! My mind if I did. What the fuck is happening out there?
Holy shit, you should have seen it.
I could hear something going on out there. Ah, shit. Alright, I found one of the guys already. It's a frog.
We'll kill him.
Yeah, but you still have to get too trigger happy.
You know, I'll kill him.
Yeah, well, you do that. Oh shit. Probably no waste of time. Okay. Oh crap. I got it.
Look out. Get him.
Come here, bitch. Like, the guy just comes around a corner and shoots me in the head. I'm dead. That's it. Alright, we'll just be quiet then, I guess. Oh, he's here.
Don't let the orb fall.
I might have got room
silly
there.
girl.
There you go. Now grab it from the S. No. Oh my fucking god, I hate this fucking game. Alright, back to it. Motherfucker! What do you actually fucking What is all this ominousness in this?
It's me!
I'm Mario.
Oh, no, bro. I'm fucking feeling it. You're a fucking. I want to put a cap in you for that.
No, this game sucks! What is wrong with you? You got stuck in the
Oh my god! You got that sword fucking just really fucking.
What?
Oh my days.
Okay, that was kind of your fault. You should have seen it.
You say my fault.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You had a rape pin button.
What the fuck?
Come on.
Alright.
Yeah.
Whoa, hey! Alright. Oh my god. Well, yes. Damn it. Fucking whores! You fucking whores! Damn.
Oh,
Just fucking kill that little kid. And I landed, like, on the edge. Oh, you found it.
get up. There's two of them.
Two? Oh, this guy's well. Ah, fuck, I'm wasting my ammo.
Wait, don't use anything.
Well, I was gonna either.
Well, there's 2 looms, and now they're both dead. No! Oh, he wants it. Okay, bye. No!
I'm gonna fucking do it. I'm gonna fucking do it. I'm gonna fucking blow my fucking brains out. Ah! Help! Help! Help!
What
Help!
the fuck happened?
Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh,
Nice!
I'll see you in the flip-flop.
Alright.
What was that? Oh,
Huh?
no!
No, kill it! Fucking
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah. Oh, not this fucking person. He's all mine. Oh. Shit.
I
Oh,
swear I
please!
hit it.
Alright. I'll see you on the flip-flop. It's running out of breath. I've been smoking. Oh, sh!
Wah!
Who is it? Okay!
Just tilt it up! Tilt it up!
Stick it in my butt.
Hooray!
Stick it in my butt. Oh, what happened? Where was I?
I wanna fuck you in the butt.
Wait, no, the transfer off. Who do you think you are? Oh my god, why would he hit me? Hello? Oh! Clay! Bitch! Easy.
Dead?
Oh, easy dead. I think I... Mother! I think we might have bigger issues. Oh, the...
Already dead.
Oh, that
What?
motherfucker, if he shows himself, I'm putting him in the fucking caves. Well, well, well.